For this year's RSPA RetailNOW, Logic Controls has the pleasure to invite some of our ISV partners. Today I am speaking with Ed Barry, the Vice President of Sales of GoldTech Point of Solution. Thank you for joining us today, Ed.
Good talking to you, Brian.
Now I will begin asking some questions. What is your expectation for this year's RSPA?
Well, our goal down at RSPA is to form some partnerships with some of the resellers and some of our business partners that we deal with, such as Logic Control, and to show our product and show how we can be an intricate part in helping them drive business.
Great. And if you may, what products or new software will you be showing at RSPA, and what are some of their unique features?
Well, the product that we're going to show is the GoldTech Retail Manager. This is a unique product that has the ultimate in scalability and the ultimate fault tolerance. And one thing about the fault tolerance, it's also self-healing. One of the things is that with this software, if your network goes down, you can still actually do business. And that's the most important thing to the ultimate customer, is that we'll give them the ability to keep those customers to go through the line so that the customer is happy and they have the ultimate experience.
Great. And just moving on, due to the slow economy during the past few years, it's been challenging times for the industry. Any input on how this has been affecting your business?
Well, it's just like anybody else. The business had slowed a little bit, but I think that now that I think things are picking up, people are more interested in seeing on how they can do things better. I see 2012 being a really good year for us. But I think that most of the customers want to see that they can get a return on their investment. And one of the things that we're able to do is to show those customers how we can get a good return on their investment. And that's what they need.
Definitely. And have these challenging times driven you to develop any different type of software or expand into a different business vertical?
Well, one of the things is that as far as vertical goes, our vertical market is primarily retailers. We do multiple grocery stores, specialty shops. We do sporting goods. We even do produce markets. We even do wigs. I mean, ours is so flexible, we can kind of adapt to who we need to do business with. As far as the product itself, I think that everybody should really just come and see what we have, and I think that they'll be pleasantly surprised. I think the product is going to speak for itself.
Great. And just moving on, this is the first time that Logic Controls is interacting with our partners at the show. How do you feel about this marketing strategy?
Oh, I think it's a wonderful thing, and I just hope that we don't get too much attention on our side so that no one goes to Logic Controls, but I'm sure we're going to have a fun time doing it.
And what type of synergy do you think that this can bring to the resellers, not just us being the hardware developer and you being the software developer?
Well, I think that what I would like to communicate to those resellers is that we're here to help them, not to support them in their needs, to help them satisfy the customer. People don't realize that in today's technology, with all the different apps and all the different ways that we can communicate, the personal relationship with the customer is number one. And we need to do the things that we need to do to help them and support them in their business. Because it's important to establish long-term relationships, not just short-term relationships.
Definitely, I hear that one. And just to end it up, what can vendors and distributors do that can help support a company like yours in the future?
Well, I think it's just like anything else that we need to have some opportunities to interact maybe with their customers more. Right now we're doing some things with ScanSource and some of the other distributors. to be out there. And I think this thing that we're doing with logic controls show how that will work together is going to be a good start. And I think that we'll see. But I think that if we work together, we can all accomplish the same goal, and that's what's important.
Definitely. All right. Thank you very much for your time with us today, Ed. We appreciate all that you have done, and we're looking forward to seeing you at RSPA in July.
Have a great day, Brian.
You too. Bye.